Did you get that?
No, I forgot.
No, it's because there's somebody behind us.
So, Brian just cut someone.
That was so bad.
Yeah.
It was so bad. Sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Yeah. And it's that guy behind us. Wait, that guy.
I honestly hope she doesn't turn right where we're going, because then she'll see my face. That was so bad. I was in the wrong lane.
He cut someone behind, and there's a stoplight in front of us.
Well, I mean, if I didn't speed up, I would have never made it.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I didn't speed up, I would have never made it. So it's on the other side, the other lane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's that dude.
A few moments later.
We feel like
we're being followed.
She's following us.
Yeah, it's the person that I cut off earlier. I'm sorry. I beg, please.
She's right.
No, she stopped. Yes, come on!
Oh,
yes.
she turned right?
Yes, she turned right. Yes.
She lives there. Then our destination is just right there. On top of the hill.
Yeah, that scared the shit out of me. Yo, I thought she was going to follow us and like give us like lecture us or something.
One more. What's up, everybody?
Welcome back to another video / vlog. You already know what it is. So
Yeah.
what we working with today, bro?
It's
Quattro, motherfucker, four.
yeah. So we're gonna work on Benji's Audi. It's right there. Hey, Benji.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Yeah.
sir.
So we're gonna work on his car. So AUDI RS3, and we're gonna be installing front lip
and side skirt.
and a side skirt.
It's a Maxton design.
Ooh.
Yeah, so well, you know, before we got here, I had a little debuttal with with a different car, I must say. That's what happened today. I did something really stupid, but it's alright. It is what it is, you know? It was completely my fault because I didn't know that lane was gonna end, but and you know what, yeah, that lady followed us all the way here, and I was like, my heart was like beating hella fast, man. Alright, so let's go ahead and install this thing, guys. See you in a bit.
On the beat.
Yeah, this one's easier.
Yeah?
It's
Yeah.
easier to install.
Yeah, some.
Cause they made a mounting point.
The only thing they didn't do is
Yeah.
pretty drill them from factory.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice day, nice weather.
This one's easy.
Huh?
You just need to remove the bolts and then replace with this one.
Pretty much, I
Oh,
guess.
shit.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay, I just
That's easy.
didn't even need any hardware. I guess,
Yeah.
huh?
Oh, you need this one because it's
Oh, yeah,
longer.
that's true.
Oh, you just need to drill like here and then maybe here.
It's built for it.
Oh yeah, should work.
Yeah? That's why then use the same ones then.
Yeah, but this one doesn't work.
Oh, because it's short.
I need the drill. Oh, this one.
Well, good thing we use the OEM bolts, because if we would have to use this, because it's a bolt, right?
Yeah, we
And
need
we
to
have to
remove
access it from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why the guy just use the OEM ones, right?
Yeah, because you don't wanna remove the bumper just to install.
Exactly,
a
right?
Man.
Noticed one thing for years. Every time I took it off, you know, it looked different, right?
Yeah. You guys want some sandwich?
Yeah.
Homemade,
Nice, eh?
delicious.
It doesn't stick up.
Yeah, it looks so good. It looks like it came with the car.
Oh, what's this side?
Damn.
Depot on the beat.
So next one is the side skirt. They're just test fitting it.
Oh shit, should I clean the underside quick? Maybe wipe it off the dirt?
Yeah, so
This blackness is
you just
nice.
Man, it's
Oh,
beautiful.
drill the hole. What's the material for that one?
This?
Yeah, for the
I think it's just FRP.
Sige, oh.
FRP.
I think so.
Oh.
Plastic, yeah. They have a carbon fiber texture. They have texture.
No, I
carbon
think this
fiber
one is
style.
polyurethane.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, that's the screw.
It's not in the
It's the second one.
They even had like a little piece for the back, but I didn't like it.
like a rear spot.
Pretty much like that, but I don't know. I didn't like it when I saw it.
There you go. So it's just putting in additional screws. So they finish the driver's side and it looks so sick. Actually it looks good that it looks like it came with the car, and the ducktail right there, I think that's OEM. So right now they're putting the passenger side, and so it's the same thing as I did on the driver's side.
So
Oh, here?
starter, and then it comes up.
Oh, this is
Yeah,
okay.
that's the
Did you
starter.
put
Yeah,
this?
I put these
Oh,
rings, eh?
it looks really
I need to
good.
buy shifters now, and then yeah, not bad, right? Yeah. Oh,
Oh, yeah. I need the keys.
that's too bad. Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
Damn. Oh shit.
This is the
That
view
looks sick.
that people use, huh?
Oh.
Like the maps,
Yeah.
because you sit in there, right?
Damn, that's sick.
And the power, like when you rev it.
Can I rev it?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Damn.
The sport exhaust sounds nice, but this is not the sport exhaust sound.
I like the steering wheel. It's small.
Yeah.
It's very small, right? The Alcantara stuff.
So nice, man. Hey,
I
man.
know.
Cool car, man. Cool car, man.
And then you know what? I found
What is
out
this?
I never even had this.
Ferrari?
You put brakes and stuff, and then like, you can just,
Oh.
literally there's no storage inside, so
Yeah.
you can just access it from there. Like this one you get your cup holders and stuff
nice.
here.
The seats are
And
cool.
You can access
Yeah.
the trunk like that.
Damn.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the seats are nice, right?
Is this brand new?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
2021, right?
Huh?
2021?
No, 2020 is the last model.
Oh.
Oh,
2021, they still haven't made it, but then they're gonna refresh the body, I think.
Oh, I
They're
see.
gonna do some cosmetic changes.
Yeah.
The European model, they pop like crazy. Yeah.
The exhaust?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
The North American ones, they put a regular exhaust. Oh,
Damn.
that's the lunch. Yeah, the lunch is sick. Yeah.
It's rubber. Double.
That looks that's so clean too.
Wait.
You can see the sparkles and shit.
Yeah, wrinkle. Where's the turbo?
Let's see like
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, it's right there.
Sure.
How many cylinders is this?
5.
5 cylinder?
Yeah.
Alright, so there you guys have it. This is the finished product of the side skirts and the front lip on the Audi RS number 3 Quattro. You already know. So yeah, you guys have a look and tell us down in the comments on how it looks like.
Yeah. What do you think?
Bro, I think it's beautiful, man. I think all it needs is just a couple of coilovers, drop a couple of bags on it.
Oh yeah.
It'll be prime. It'll be prime. It looks beautiful, bro. The words can't explain it. Words can't explain it.
What do you think, Benji?
You did an awesome job,
Yeah.
eh? Looks mint, huh?
Thanks, man.
Looks like a different car now, eh?
Yeah, looks sick. Shit.
Alright, so that's everything for you guys in today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Please don't forget
Yeah.
to like, comment, share,
That's why
and
it's
subscribe.
wider.
And
That's why it's wider in the front.
Yeah.
see you next time, next video.
The wheels have more.
Sick car. Sick. And it got 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower.
Some light, you know,
Yeah.
some stock power.